Hi guys. Today I'm going to be redoing a bed in the backyard and adding some bushes that I got on clearance from my local Lowe's. I'm going to take out these dahlias that literally just started blooming about 3 weeks ago. It's been such a mild season up here in Northwest Indiana as far as heat goes, and they have literally not performed as good as they have in the past. Usually my dahlias are blooming around July-ish. This year, not even one bloom until late September. So instead of waiting around for a hard frost to tell me that it's time to take them up, I'd rather get these new dwarf wine and rose weigela bushes I got in the ground and let them try and root in and survive the winters and hope for better dahlias next year. Also, I bought a pinky winky hydrangea tree um, at a local nursery, and I want to try and get that in also, and hopefully it'll hide my electric and gas meter. So next year I won't have to look at that. The other things that I've decided that also need to come out are this old white Gila that I've paid for $5 last year, 2019. It really wasn't pruned correctly from the grower, and I mistakenly thought, well, for $5 I'll try and salvage it, but clearly I was wrong. It's totally dead in the center, and it just looks floppy. I'm also taking out this Annabelle hydrangea. This is a variety from like 5 to 7 years ago, and it flops to the ground. I know the newer ones are a lot better, so maybe in the future I'll try one of those, but I may be winding myself up for a lot of hate comments, but this type of hydrangea is really not my favorite. I'm more of a pinky winky and a quick fire girl. So this needs to go. Also coming out behind that is this Carl Forster grass. I'm going to be relocating this to a newer bed that's out in the middle of my backyard next to a tree that doesn't have irrigation, so it will really like this dry clay soil. I'm putting that out there because it's going to get more wind, and I'm figuring out as I'm doing this after gardening for about 15 years, I like grasses when the wind hits them, they get to sway. And up here against my house, I'm not really getting a lot of movement out of this grass. So, yeah, this is going to have to go too. Hubby got home early from work and offered to help finish up what I wanted to do. So, I'm taking some free muscle when I can. I'll take it when I can get it. Enjoy. Another reason I'm glad Greg offered to help is this area over here is on the west side of my house. For some reason, maybe the irrigation hasn't been getting enough water over here. This ground, you guys, was hard. I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to have to look into this and figure out what's going on. But he was even struggling trying to get stuff in here. And there's landscape fabric on this. And it's been my experience that there's no reason for the ground to be that hard, even though we haven't had any water. So I was really glad for the help.